Hello everybody, it's me, Riem. I am a cow educator in our beautiful Cow Salon Academy in Darmstadt, Germany, and I would love to show you my hero product. It is the new Moist Repair Hydrating Oil. What I love the most about this product is you can apply it on skin and hair. How great is this? It's super lightweight, so your hair and your skin is not looking oily at all. And you also see it's easy to apply. It smells super good and it keeps the hair and the skin moist. So whenever I have the feeling I need to add some more moisture on my hair, or I want the hair looks more shiny, or my skin, I apply it. What I also love about this product is because it's so lightweight, you can use it on very thick hair or on very fine hair. Try out, have fun, and till the next time.